Hey, thank you for watching Blue Bonnet channel. And today I'm going to talk about one topic of mortgage. If you have a homeowner, if you're paying a mortgage, and especially this coronavirus situation, you have a hardship whatsoever, and you might want to know about the current issue ongoing. And I was so shocked that Americans are losing this much of money, $1 billion, because of fraud issue. So mortgage assistance. So any third party is approaching you and any some sort of mortgage assistance, it may likely more likely as a scam. So and what they're saying is you have to contact your mortgage service provider. That is mostly the escrow company. If you having a loan, um, if you have a lender, then normally your contact with the escrow company is a mortgage servicer. Okay, so they provide all the options, not by third party, someone else, and talk to you about what you're supposed to do. So keep that in mind. So what they're saying is federal, it's FTC, they warn about this scam issue, fraud issue. So they're talking about financial assistance, a stimulus check, and a mortgage. And typically, what they scammers are asking you to pay upfront fee in some sort of for the further assistance and help and that kind of approaches. So everything is illegal. So keep that in mind, okay? If you heard anything and you're not sure, don't do anything. And FTC ask you to contact directly to your mortgage servicer, mostly escrow company, okay? Discover all the options, okay? Talk to them only. Yeah, that's the right way. And then if you have any situation and difficulties and you're faced with the foreclosure eviction, and also they suggest you to contact the legal service organization, and I'm going to share all the URLs, so don't worry about it. And please subscribe my channel, leave your comments, like my video. And sometimes you can get mostly the free legal service at the beginning. So and this is organization you can talk to. This is a link to that particular URL website. So I'm going to share the URL under the video. So that's something you want to talk to if you're in the dead end situation. Okay, the stimulus check is also a lot of fraud issue. So if you get paid from the government, last time I got paid through the electronic bank transfer, so that's the safest way, right? So if you not into that kind of situation, then pay attention to the scammers and the fraud, okay? And yeah, so keep that in mind. So many the fraud and scammers about the mortgage case, unfortunately, and that's the website you talk to. This is the I want to share with you, especially your lender is Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae case. You'll more likely have an options, especially if you are on the forbearance plan because of due to coronavirus temporal. And many cases you have an option. Even the private bank, sometimes they allow you a couple months, 2 months or 4 months, a little bit short time period. But like a Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, and may not be all the same, but most likely maximum extension of forbearance plan 180 days, meaning is you're holding your mortgage payment, monthly payment for the 6 months. Then the last day of the 6 months, you pay all the payment, remaining the balance, unpaid balance, as a one balloon payment. Okay, but what if your finance situation hardship is not ended? And this is why they're telling you several options after this period forbearance plan. Okay, then so number one, repayment plan. So meaning is you earning some money but not enough to pay everything unpaid mortgage during that forbearance plan. It's hard to pay everything as a balloon payment, and repayment plan is to pay off a little bit portion on top of a regular payment, pay off like over the time period. So that's a repayment plan, what they're saying. Okay, so additional amount to your regular monthly mortgage payments. So let's say if your mortgage payment is 1,500, and maybe this repayment plan is you pay a little bit extra, like 300 or 400, so 1,900 or 1,800 to pay off those balance accumulated during the forbearance timer period. Okay, and or if you're eligible, then that all the accumulated balance due to forbearance plan, put it to the end of mortgage period, normally 30 years, right? And then if you paid off 2 years so far and 28 years left, and this, okay, so no more forbearance, and so either you pay off everything or repayment, or if they agree that you can put all the balance to the end of your mortgage. So meaning is, my understanding is extend your mortgage period, okay, to cover up that unpaid amount balance due to your forbearance plan, right? So far, okay. So I think this is not bad, okay. This is one of the options for you if you fall into the category. Or this is a typical thing, and I heard it, mortgage loan modification or mortgage modification. I think it's more sounds like a refi. Okay, so let's say you got a new job, pay better, or pay some sort of close enough, but you have to alter the current mortgage condition, and this is one of the options you want to consider. So again, the three options more likely in front of you. If you fall into this category, most likely your lender is like, as I mentioned, Freddie Mac and Freddie Mae, okay? But if not, lender is not those categories, still you have to talk to them, asking about what they have, something like